Hey guys, WBTreece here from WBTreece Consultants, talking with you today. If you're a hotel owner, a hotel investor, a hotel property manager, about why you want to get a property improvement plan, a PIP, done by a certified, trained group of professionals like WBTreece Consultants. Your property improvement plan is your plan to maintain and upgrade your property across a 6, 7, maybe 10-year timeline, depending on your brand. That plan is going to improve your guest experience and promote your ROI on that property. We have experience from over 400 commercial properties and literally dozens of hotels across the Southeast. We would love to put that experience to work for you with or without a property condition assessment. We can do the PIP either way. Please check us out at WBTC3.com. Thanks again.